What's up guys, and today I will be talking to you about how you can make your Pokemon game if you don't know how you're going to even make a Pokemon game. So you may have heard of Pokemon games like Pokemon Uranium or Pokemon like Platinum, and you want to make a game just like those people who made those games. So I'm going to basically teach you how to make those games. Now, you have many options. You can just start from scratch by learning how to code and then using a similar system for a Pokemon game. That's a bit too hard, so we'll just go for the easier method. And the easier method is, well, it might cost you money depending on which options you want to go for. So the slightly harder but free bit is to make a Pokemon ROM hack. And basically, this is with stuff like advanced map, advanced text, and you can edit a Pokemon ROM this way. I mean, it doesn't cost money at all. I mean, it may be a bit illegal something to kind of do this, but I mean, it's only illegal if you actually put out a download to the actual ROM file. I mean, using a UPS patch and just allowing players to use that UPS patch would be better for them to use. So yeah, I mean, that's the option if you want to make a ROM hack. I mean, ROM hacking is a lot more complex in terms of world building, because for the tile sets you have these individual number codes for every tile, and that's going to take ages to make. But that's already it's ready made if you're going to make a Pokemon game with RPG Maker XP, which is a program that I use. And this will cost you a couple of dollars or pounds wherever you live. And RPG Maker XP plus this example project called Pokemon Essentials, which is completely free. The main project called Pokemon Essentials is free, but in order to edit it and actually make a Pokemon game that is original, of course, you will have to need RPG Maker XP, and you'll have to buy it. I mean, I recommend buying it on Steam because it's cheaper there, and it generally runs the software much better. So you should get Steam if you don't have it, and then get whatever development tools you want. So I mean, there are other options other than just making a ROM hack or using RPG Maker XP plus Pokemon Essentials. I mean, you can make it a Pokemon game from scratch, but that's not really an easier option. It's not a standard option that you would want to take in general. So yeah, I'm just going to talk you through the basics, what I just have, and if you want another video, just comment down, and I'll see you next time. And also, for this video, I am aiming as an indie YouTuber who has barely any subscribers, and I know this will sound a bit cringy, but I want at least 10 likes for this. Please, just we seriously need this. And if you do happen to have found this video, just make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with a friend of yours.